Hello and welcome to All Things Knitty. This week's stitch is the Interlocking Spike Stitch. It was the stitch that was chosen on the poll that I put up. So it is a 1 row repeat using single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet, and those are US terms. The reason that I've chose this spike double crochet is because I recently adopted an African pygmy hedgehog and her name is Rosie. If you want to see a wee picture, stick around to the end of the video and I'll put one up. So this is it in the rose coloured wool, which is some Hayfield bonus, and this is in the cotton using the multi-pack that I got from Amazon. The links are in the description box below if you want to get some of these cotton. They're all different colours. So this pattern begins with a chain of 3 plus 2, and we will begin in the second chain from our hook, and we're going to work a full row of single crochet. So into the second chain from hook, we are going to work a single crochet. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. Once you have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. One more time, insert into the chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. So continue doing that all the way across the row, and I'll get you once you've done that. Okay, so you've done foundation row 1. We're going to move on to foundation row 2, and to do that we're going to chain 1 and turn our work. Now in this very first stitch here, which is still the second chain from our hook, we're going to work a single crochet, a half double crochet, so yarn over, go into the stitch, pull up a loop. Once you have 3, yarn over, pull through 3, and then 1 double crochet into the same stitch. So yarn over, go in, yarn over and just pull through 2, then yarn over, pull through 2. You're going to skip 2 stitches, so skip 1, 2, and in this next stitch you're going to repeat that. So a single crochet, a half double crochet, and a double crochet, all in that same chain. Skip 2 and repeat. You're going to do that all the way across the row until you've only got a few stitches left. Stop there and we'll work the end of the row together. Single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, skip 2 and repeat. Okay, so you've come to the end of your row. Once you have 3 stitches left, you're going to skip 2, and in the last you're going to work 1 single crochet, and that's how you finish every row. You skip 2 and work 1 single crochet. So we're now going to do the pattern row. So to do that, chain 1 and turn your work. Now we're looking at the very first stitch, so still the second chain from your hook. You're going to work a single crochet and a half double crochet into this stitch. So single crochet, half double crochet, and now we're going to be working a spiked double crochet. So into the row below, if you look at this, it looks like a figure 8, and we've worked a single crochet and a half double crochet into the top loop. Now into the bottom loop we're going to work that double crochet. So yarn over, not this part, 1 row below, pull up a loop, and you're going to pull it up tall so that all your stitches are the same height. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Skip 2 and repeat. So into this stitch here, you're going to work a single crochet, a half double crochet, and now into the row below. So you can see this is the top, into here. So it does sit slightly, it sits below and slightly to the right. You're going to work your spike double crochet. Skip 2, 1, 2, and there's your figure 8 there. So you're going to repeat that all the way across. Stop when you've just got 1 cluster left to do, and we'll do the end of the row together. Okay, so we're now at the end of the row. you'll be able to see that your spikes are forming. Okay, every row finishes the same. We skip 2, and in this very last stitch we work 1 single crochet. And that's the pattern row that you repeat. We'll go through it one more time. Chain 1, turn your work. In this very first stitch here, you're going to single crochet and half double crochet. Then into the row below, into the bottom part of the figure 8, you're going to work your spiked double crochet. Yarn over, come all the way down to the stitch, pull up a loop, pull it up tall, yarn over through 2 and yarn over through 2. Skip 2, repeat, so single crochet, half double crochet. Okay, so it does get a wee bit harder to see the bottom part of the figure 8 once you just repeat the pattern row, but if you pull your work apart, you can see that this is the top and this is the one we're going to go into. So it sits below and 1 to the right, and you're going to repeat that throughout the whole pattern. To finish off, when you've got the right side of your work facing you, so your beginning chain tail should be on your left, you're going to work a full row of single crochet, and that just finishes off the work. This is a very versatile stitch. I think it's unisex, and you could use this for a cushion cover, a scarf, a quick blanket. It is a very quick stitch to build up, and I enjoyed doing this one this week. As I say, I'll put a wee picture of Rosie the Hedgehog for you to see, and I just want to thank everyone who took part in the poll to help me pick this week's stitch. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your friends. All the links to the yarn and social media and ways to support the channel are all in the description box below, and I will see you next week. Bye.